So we partner with, right now we partnered with Asian Hospital, we have partnered with De Los Santos, Medical City, and we're talking to Makati Med because we want to make sure that we have the right doctors in our ecosystem.
Oh.
So it doesn't end with just having your checkup. We make sure that you are led to the best doctors. So
Mm.
that's one. So that's, and then right now, when you look around, there are dental clinics, aesthetic clinics, stem
Mhm.
cells. No, so it's
Mhm.
all about preventive health and longevity, and we want to be at the center. We want to tell everyone before you do anything
Mm.
necessary for your health, can you have your checkup first so
Mm.
that you know what's happening in your body before you go to the next step. And
Mm.
when you go to the next step, we'll be there to handhold you, to refer
Mm.
you to the right partners.